Hello everyone, welcome back to Car Salvage 101 and the X2. If you know, I got this for, I think it was 4550, I think it was, from Copart. It's a Category S, 2019, with about 73,000 miles on the clock. It's arrived yesterday, and I haven't walked around it because I was at work, got back at midnight, and I've had a little glimpse around it, but yeah, need to look over it properly. So it's the Sport model. It's not the M Sport, unfortunately. I would prefer an M Sport, I'll be honest with you, because the M Sport is a lot better. Looks a lot better as well. So yeah, anyway, I don't know where to start. Yeah, so it has had, I think I've seen some pictures of this, and the impact was quite severe. But yeah, we're going to look at everything, see how everything is. I think whoever did it up has really not taken care of it. So let's start with the outside, and we'll have a walk around and see how we get on. So yeah, these wheels are not exactly the most nicest of looking, are they? They're diamond cut again, so they might need a bit of sanding back just to get them looking a bit better. Down here, this door here has taken a good few whacks and scrapes to it. We've got a little dent here, we've got a dent here, we've got a dent here and a dent here. Possible I can pull those out, otherwise I might have to get a dent repair guy to come out and sort those out, because as I say, that we've got loads of sort of scratches up here, which is a shame. Front here again, it's not too bad, it's just dirty, to be honest. The tread's getting quite low on that tyre, on that Bridgestone as well. And the trim here is popping off as well. It's a shame we can't have to look at that, work out why that's coming out. It's a shame. Then we just got like just scratches just all over the place. For some reason I mean, look at that. That's not exactly the best, I don't think. If we look around the other side, I bet you there's not a gap there, but we might have to sort that out. And this headlight has got condensation in it, which is a shame. Then the bumper itself, need to work on these areas. I don't know, it's like they've reused it, or they've just got a bog standard bumper and sourced it from another crash car or something. I've got problems here, but this looks worse than it is. It's just it needs cleaning up, that's for sure. It's just, yeah, dirty. That's the problem. Dirty. Here's taken quite a hit, as you can see. It's going to need some proper sanding back. That may need a bit of filler. We've got that there, that's been cracked, but again we need to sort all of this out as well. So yeah, that's not particularly good. The bonnet looks to be, it's just the panel gap. I think that panel gap's not the best, but potentially we can sort that out. Here, this has all come apart, as you can see. Again, that might just be clicking and clipping back in. Might be able to sort that as well. This is like a slightly metallic-y white. I don't know if you can kind of see that in the image. Yeah, scratch that'll probably come out. Then down this side it's not too bad at all. There's no dents. Is that a dent? No, paint chip. This side's all right, not too bad. It's got quite a bit of lacquer going on here and a big chunk of that tyre wheel is missing as well, which is a shame. I'm gonna have to get underneath that and get that all ripped out. So yeah, the front's the worst of this, I'll be honest, but we could probably salvage that. And then we got around the back here, something going on here a bit, paint chipping all down there as well. All that can be touched up, so I'm hoping that's not going to be an issue. And yeah, just a bit there as well. It's all touch up stuff which we can sort out. So I've got some paint arriving. Hopefully that will cover that. But yeah, in the light it's a very different colour when the sun's shining on it. But unfortunately, yeah, that door is just dinged and everything. Unfortunately, I'll just have to work out what I can do about that. Just needs a good clean first off, doesn't it? Right, one key. I was told by my other half that the boot is not so good. No. So, strangely, it's paint. And I'm not sure if we're going to get that off. I'm going to steam clean it. I'll have a look in there. Ugh, it's all sticky in there. I was hoping for locking wheel nut. I've got to find that. Make sure we got that in there. Oh look, that's interesting. They didn't clear out the crap that's in there. But we do need the locking wheel nut, and that's got to be somewhere in here. It better be. It's in there. Is it locking wheel nut? Yeah, it is a locking wheel nut. Okay, we need to find that. But these are. I'll put that back. See, I think the locking wheel nut. Where should that have been? Potentially, it should have been in there. Okay. Put that back. Right. Yeah. Locking wheel nut is potentially not here. Anyway, this here. Let's just get this in there. Put that key to the side. These are really expensive to replace. These are like 150 quid, unfortunately. Yeah, just general rubbish, which again, for a customer car, it's like, why do you not fucking clean it out? Some people just can't be asked, can they? Got a Costco receipt. Nothing in particular. A urine kit, so that's good. Interesting stuff. Weird. Includes information about spice and changes to the Misuse of Drugs Act. That's all a bit weird, isn't it? And then you got a urine kit. It's like you're being tested. But then, look. There's some sort of religious thing going on. What's that? No idea what that is. Is that some sort of marker pen? Anyway, right. Has that got might have another floor underneath that. Right, so that is that. Needs a good clean inside, doesn't it? USB-C ports in the back. What's this here? Just generic rubbish. Still no sign of that locking wheel nut. We have the lighter coloured. It's not all dark, so unlike the M Sport would have it as black, but Sport goes with the lighter roof liner, which needs cleaning, as you can see. Right. Oh dear, what's going on here? Is that loose? I think that was loose. I think that's loose. Right. Not electric seats. Sit in it for a minute. It's not auto lights. We don't have heated seats. That should... Oh, okay, that's how that works. So you've got the usual different modes. It is a manual. Should have said that. We will get out, strangely, the various containers with water in them. We have various bits of drink and ready mix and stuff in there. Still no locking wheel nut. I just need to give it a good clean out. Right, I don't know. I haven't got the key on me, it's outside. I know it's not got much fuel in it. Remote control missing. Let me just find it. Hold on. Ah. Result. Locking wheel nut. Thank God. Thank God, that saves me a bit of money. Put that in there for the minute. Right, let's have a look. I might just have to run it because I was told it was noisy. And I wonder if that's the reason that we've ended up having it in Copart. It's 6 miles of fuel, drivetrain, full performance not available, have the problem checked by your certain... Interesting. Okay. Let's have a listen. Where's the problem coming from? No? I think that's just... Doesn't sound too noisy now. It's that 1.5 litre mini engine, isn't it? Has that cleared the message? Let's have a look. What have we got on here? My vehicle's got to be under there, isn't it? Driving information? No. Vehicle status. Check controls. So it just says drivetrain. So I need to plug in and have a look and see what the issue is and why they're saying that that's a drivetrain problem. Okay. Let's just rev it. I don't want to use up too much of fuel, given we haven't got much left. Okay. Just turn those lights out. Okay, right. So that is going to be the X2. Until I work out what we're going to do about this, whether or not this drivetrain is going to be an issue for us. Copart didn't tell us about it, which is a little disappointing, isn't it? So just let that run for a sec. Probably just going to take it off the drive and just take it down the road and just see what they mean by drivetrain problem. But yeah, disappointing if that is. Okay, right. Yeah, until next time, let me know what you think. I know potentially there's going to be quite a few comments on this one from people. 4.5 grand with fees, about 5 grand out the door. What have we got? Let me know your thoughts. Until next time, thank you for watching. Have I made a mistake? See you all later.